Welcome to our discussion on the latest trend in social media, YouTube Shorts. My name is Carl Bavona. I'm the Senior Director of Social Media here at Ignite Visibility.
My name is Peter, and I'm a Senior Strategist on the Organic Social team here at Ignite. Indeed, short-form video content is taking the social media world by storm. It's fun, entertaining, and easy to watch.
Absolutely. As we all know, TikTok paved the way for this trend, and other platforms quickly followed suit.
But what's the deal with YouTube Shorts? Well, let's dive into it.
YouTube Shorts were introduced back in September of 2020. They're short-form videos of 60 seconds or less, with creators adding musical overlays, text, or graphics. But what's the ideal length for a YouTube Short?
YouTube must be at least 15 seconds, but should generally stay around 21 to 34 seconds.
Interested in making your own YouTube Shorts? Here's a basic guide.
Step 1, choose a topic. Decide on the best topic for your video, whether it's educational content, how-to guides, or behind-the-scenes glimpses.
You can also get inspiration from competitors or ask your audience for suggestions.
Step 2, prepare your shoot. Ensure everything is set up correctly for the shoot.
Make sure you have good lighting and plan your content.
Step 3, record your video. Remember, YouTube Shorts are in vertical format, so use a mobile device with a vertical camera option.
Step 4, edit and upload your video. You can either use your preferred video editing software or even directly on the YouTube app.
And don't forget about the best time to post your YouTube Shorts. Generally weekdays during peak hours on Monday or Tuesday, either in the afternoon being around 12 to 3 p.m., or in the evening from 7 to 10 p.m. work very well.
Of course, the best time of posting may vary depending on your audience's viewing habits.
You can also watch YouTube Shorts both on mobile app and on the desktop. They appear on the YouTube homepage and specific channel pages. You can even search for them using hashtags.
Now, are YouTube Shorts based on what you watch?
Yes, they are. An algorithm actually tailors your feed based on your preferences, but it's separate from the one for long-form YouTube videos.
Let's talk about how YouTube Shorts compare to other platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Reels. One key difference is the video length. YouTube Shorts can only really be about 60 seconds, whereas TikTok allows you to post up to 3 minutes.
And when it comes to editing, TikTok and Instagram Reels offer more special effects and AR features compared to YouTube Shorts, but YouTube is making updates daily to stay competitive with the other social platforms.
Now let's consider some pros and cons of YouTube Shorts.
A significant pro is the exposure potential. With over 3 billion monthly visitors, your content can reach a massive audience. Plus, YouTube Shorts can drive traffic to your larger videos and channels.
Shorts are also less time-consuming and less costly than full-length videos, making them accessible to all creators.
Unfortunately, on the downside, customization options for YouTube Shorts are limited.
Let's dive into the essential key performance indicators, or KPIs, for YouTube Shorts.
Understanding these KPIs are crucial for evaluating your Shorts performances. You can monitor your performance using traditional YouTube video KPIs.
So what are these KPIs?
Well, first we have total engagement. This metric encompasses likes, comments, and various forms of engagement your Shorts receive.
How can you measure total engagements effectively?
To calculate the average total engagement rate, divide the total engagement rate per post by the number of total posts.
How can we enhance total engagements?
Just by creating more compelling content, actively engaging with your audience through comments and content requests, and optimizing your video titles and thumbnails can significantly boost your engagement.
Excellent suggestions, Peter. What's the next KPI we should consider?
Well, next we should look at the total amount of video views. This KPI reveals how many people are viewing your Shorts and allows us to assess whether viewers are watching them in their entirety or clicking away shortly after.
Now, can we work on increasing the number of video views? How could we increase that?
Optimizing video thumbnails and titles and consistently producing engaging content that captivates your audience can help attract a lot more viewers.
That's great advice. What's the third KPI?
The third KPI is the number of subscribers. It reflects the effectiveness of your Shorts in fostering viewer loyalty toward your channel and brand.
How can we grow our subscriber base effectively?
By creating compelling content is key, but you can also encourage likes and subscriptions in your video content and descriptions. Posting regularly can also entice viewers to subscribe as they anticipate your consistent uploads.
What's the final KPI?
The last KPI is traffic sources. This indicates whether viewers are coming from to watch your YouTube video shorts. Analyzing these sources can help you identify areas that may require improvement to increase traffic.
How can we drive more traffic from various sources?
Well, to boost your traffic to your shorts, focus on creating high-quality, shareable content that resonates with your audience. Additionally, consider promoting your shorts on your website, blog, social media profiles, and other platforms where your audience is likely to discover them.
Thanks for elaborating on those KPIs. Now let's address some frequently asked questions about YouTube Shorts.
How long do YouTube Shorts stay relevant? Unlike some platforms where shorts content disappears quickly, YouTube Shorts remain active on your channel for an extended period of time, providing ample time for viewers to explore them.
That's good to know. What's the optimal posting frequency in your opinion?
To maximize engagement, consider posting approximately 2 to 3 times a day. If generating new content at this rate is challenging, you can definitely repurpose existing videos into shorter forms.
That makes sense. So, in your opinion, are YouTube Shorts worth investing in?
Well, based on the current landscape, we believe they are indeed worth the investment. YouTube Shorts offer engaging, entertaining, and educational content, making them an effective tool for expanding brand awareness. It broadens your reach and attracts new and dedicated followers. This holds particularly true if you're already maintaining a long-form video channel on the platform.
Exactly. So to explore this trend further, we encourage you to consider incorporating YouTube Shorts into your content strategy. Should you require assistance, our social media marketing experts, such as Peter and myself, are readily available for you.
Exactly. Leveraging our expertise can help your business secure valuable followers while effectively achieving your marketing objectives.
Well, thanks, Peter, for your time, and thank you all for watching, and we'll see you next time.